Hey everyone, Gil here of Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about water storage. Now, how do I start this out? Water storage is the biggest failure point of all preppers. All right? And you say, well, what do you mean? Simple. How much water do you have on hand? Have you been adding to your water storage since you've been following my channel? And I've done, 3 or 4 of these now in the last year and a half on adding to your water storage. Well, let's see. I just got another jug here. Another 5 gallons to add to my closet. You know, you don't have to go out and spend everything at once. You can add a little bit of time. Get a little bit here, a little bit there, and you add to it. Heck, in the kitchen here, I got a 6-gallon water filter here. So I got 6 gallons of water. That lasts me several days if the water were to go out. I have drinking water. Well, how much drinking water do I need? I'll tell you. 1 gallon per day per person drinking water. That's not doing the dishes. That's not going to the bathroom. That's not taking a shower. That's drinking water. That's not cooking on the stove. That is drinking water. I know I'm getting kind of in your face about it because, hey, I don't want you dying of thirst. All right? The rules of 3 don't change. There are 3 rules of 3. Number 1, 3 minutes without air, the average person dies. Number 2, 3 days without water, the average person dies. And number 3 is 3 weeks without food, the average person dies. So you can see, water is pretty important. You got 3 days to find a new water source. Otherwise, you're up Poop Creek without a paddle. All right. So what all can you do to store water in? Any food grade non-pre-used container. Don't be going out and saying, "Oh, whoa, I got all these milk jugs." No, those are not for drinking water. As you can see, I save all my water and milk jugs. That's from distilled water used for my humidifier. I save those. Do I put drinking water in those? No, I put non-potable water in those. So I have something to wash my hands with, something to flush the toilet with. So there's, potable and non-potable. Right now I'm emphasizing on the potable, the drinking water. All right? So think about it. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. You can go to my About tab on the channel here, and you can find my email address on there, and you can email me questions if you have serious questions about it. All right? Along that line, channel members get special training and stuff coming up. There's the 99-cent, the $1.99, and the $4.99 levels. The 99-cent is for preppers. They get all the members only videos, the community posts, all the fun stuff. The $1.99 is for the Grayman level. They get everything the prepper does, plus they get monthly training classes. And the survivalists get everything that I mentioned before, plus some other stuff, including 12 hours a year private one-on-one communications. All right, if you need to talk about something privately, you don't want anybody else to know about it, that's there too. And I've been talking to people about water and some other things. Alrighty? So, just some ending thoughts here. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep happy no matter what life throws at you. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, skills. Alright? And before I take off here, I'm going to put a video up here that for the announcement for the channel memberships. I'm going to put a playlist down here to the indoor garden. I'm going to put a announcement video over here for the channel members only giveaway. And I'm going to put the Camp Patton Family Compound channel link up here. That's my other channel. All right.